Everybody, I mean, she had realized that she had tell lie. For when she said when time she done, you see all a certain man go down there. Me nah call him man name, me no call me no want nobody, me no know nobody consume me, me no know man. She said the man see her at the funeral. And the man, where the man say, lady, if you talk, where you tell me so the man where go down for the funeral where you to support the lady. Lord, all the poor lady, me nah go make left in peace. Yeah, what the man said to you? What the man said to you? When you did go down there, where you did say observe on TV, because remember me never did if you know say I speak my mind drive up. Yeah, me Lord Jesus. No observe on TV, the latest. Barbara Walters, sorry mom, it's not your time, not for you. The latest. Where you did see them a come from? Remember me never go down if you know who got finna know. Where you did see them a come from? Where you did see them a come from? Who no call nobody name for my platform. When people who no see how they come out. When people hear that name in these times, I will be only talking in private who take it up. Me no want nobody come out for me. Cause Lady V they call and I send message behind the scenes that look people go out on there. Lady V sick. Lady V is a mad ass woman here. Cause nobody care wicked so. The lady tell me say is speak my mind car the latest go there and she tell me where she say them a come from. Cause when you remember with the live where they do with the top call up name had something she tell me say is the man car go there. That's what she told me. I mean I tell a lie upon her. She tell me say not that Marco don't think me make sure make this clear. Make me make sure make this clear. She did not tell me nothing like no hanky panky business like speak my mind and the latest into anything. Cause I don't like to think and run with things. Make it clear. She only told me that you see them coming from a certain place. And that was when a certain live was done. So mine no go talk, so me say. Cause she never said, so she never say at no time like the latest and speak my mind into anything. Never. Fool no go run with it now. Past social media and make mix up and go make it look like say the man and the girl into things. I don't know. The woman say the two of them go there. Cause when he go incident come and then he see them a come out at some place. I ain't going to say when he see them a come out because me don't want the people in come out here for me. Me can't take them a same thing here. Cause you see everybody with their name call me now call nobody else name. Damn, everybody say even though she never too clap me, but you know say the big hand lady they down there, the big back lady down there, you know. She don't like certain things and she they go get the award there. And you know, so when time she ready, at least she come and you know, if too much of this going on, she will just come and style everybody and put them in. So, me not to talk nobody business, you know. Me just attack because me say, she fit tap tell lie upon people. You must stop it. And when people tell you know more things people tell me. You know how much things people tell me, because I tell her something. I could have come right out here and talk things about Lady V, that make no eye open up. Who forgot take them pill. I'm tell her I not do it, I will never do it. I will never do it. If she never mention about my son, I wouldn't have to tell her. I tell her yesterday for go look help for her daughter. And how she support and tell people why me not go believe the business with the daughter and why me find out say Lady V support and me can say that Lady V support her daughter. And at this moment, me no know because him always a carry 10 hil and him ask 10 hil up to what they shack. Me no know if Lady V a take money from 10 hil for true cause some things when me say Lady V do for your car. To Lady V a talk, don't do how. Lady, me think a Lady V a mind 10 hil and when money come out with the 100,000 and the 30,000 cause Lady V, that's me that's what Lady V say. Get the little girl off because somebody a pimp her because they say, she say she send money go Lord, we not do that. We not do this. No, we not do this. It's not nice. It's not nice. It's not nice, Kingston. It's not nice. It's not nice. It's not nice. Come back here. It's not nice. It not gonna look good out here. Cause this a gonna make nobody no want tell me nothing no more for me mouth. Me not gonna do nothing but since this bangarang come out of me, yes, a tenil make 100,000 and 30,000 because a Lady V. Always I say him a give tenil money. Lady V tell all me and the third party that. See him so well, that's why when he come see somebody a pimp out the little girl and that. So this you know this the maths that adding up here. Because I said me not tell a life. You can't come out and come tell lie upon them, the people there. And all they mix up me and the big so you chat the big so with the you chat me with it. Well in no strange words only that you say you not talk to nobody. I'm glad when time me that talk. Me put in for me 2 cents, me clap them because if you carry out, if you tape me like how you say you talk to people in the kitchen and you tape Lorraine them and you tape this and you tape that. And like how you record Bob and play it what they make a hear. The last time Bob they talk to you when the money saga. The last time. So if in case I wouldn't care, because I say I talk them truth and I talk them bad. Yes, I talk them truth and I talk them bad. Because you tell me, say you block the people them. Because when you tell me, say a strange number festive call you upon about with the bangarang life. So when we did the pan the call, I try to look. That's the only group call me go pan. That's the only group call me depend with Lady V for help about her daughter from the bottom of my heart. For help with her daughter, but little did I know so Lady V only that waste my time. Maybe Lady V they just want me go out, they go cuss people for that and that's it. Lady V never want me push the effort because I say, me never see this yet. I ask because I say, the little girl father millionaire. Him have the biggest alpha government security also sitting. You do how much government contract and this and that. And your man the big liar. Your man a big law firm down the yard. And the man have although enough him picking it. But the man have him big son we a big doctor. And that a real doctor. In a university of the West Indies, the hospital. So I mean, if him concerned, but I know that man don't concern about that little girl. He don't concern and me. Any man with me have or anybody with me have to ride and die. Ride and die. Ride and die. Me can never have a man. My ex right now if he call me and him hear my voice a certain way, marks me and what do me? Much less to see me sit down on a ball and a man pass me and just go in a bed and never look pan and just look, don't even look. Either I will fit in. For me are there, me are the helper, me are the bitch, me are the wife, me are the sister, me are the brother, me are the mother, me are the me are the liar too. Cause I ride and die. But it not go one way. Me not nobody not me are not the helper. Me are not just the helper role. No. Me not me pay every role. But me not pay the helper role and me not pay the bitch role alone. Them have to combine. Once we say we it cause you have situationship, you know. Where a lot of people mix up situationship with relationship. So once you say we in our relationship, me are the bitch, me are the whore, me are the liar, me are the doctor, me are the mama, me are the helper, me are everything in a one. You understand? And sometimes when people don't happy at them home, them try to make other, when them not have a happy life, them try to make other people life miserable. Cause me can't believe that you was a psychiatrist and I do. I was shocked when me hear say big sow, big cow say not about me no, cause me no care. Cause me know she never like me long time. Say she tell her the something them about the Queens and Stacy. Oh God. Oh God, man. Oh God. Oh God, man. When me hear say big soul, big cow say so, me say, Jesus Christ. There how much other people, maybe we up on social media well famous over Antigua. But listen to me. Let me tell you something. You don't know the thing there. You fi ask how the man in the house, yeah? You fi ask. You fi ask. Oh, you fi know. And when people talk, you fi know. You understand? Me never hear she say husband, but me always hear she say Mr. Sir, Mr. Sir, Mr. Sir, Mr. Sir. Mr. Sir, me tell you something. Me soon I go round and I say the man wife I idiot Jamaican. No, I'm not Jamaican. The man wife is not a Jamaican. And I'm going to say which nationality she is. And let me tell you something in life. Some man is not worth fighting for. I'm going to be honest on that. She did not take away the man from the woman. Nobody can take away nobody from nobody. The man wanted to go, and this is why me said to myself, one night I said to her, when me find out say this man leaving house from early and sometime at PM midnight. PM midnight. Very rare you might catch him in the pan Sunday. It's a mid-peer late night. And I was like, me understand say, so me say, then I him me go get concerned. I him are the only liar. Hey, I want to, when me not call on you, me can get sued. Me can get sued. Me don't want nobody sue me, oh. Me don't want nobody sue me. Me can't bother, me can't climb court tip. I sit me can't get sued about if me talk about the man. Oh, alright. Remember, me similar. Me see it in the card. Me don't want nobody sue me. And me can't pay large money and different money and me can't get sued. Alright. One night, me and my friend, not call her name. So me did not call for her name. You ever notice something? Alright. In a life, you're gonna notice something. If you see me regular, let's say you see me every week, and I start lose weight, you're gonna notice. Me start rub my skin, you're gonna notice. Now call her name, oh, you're gonna notice. So, me notice that every night, 11, after 11, 12 and 1, Mr. Sarah come in. So I get concerned. And, because I mean, I asked, did the man know what is going on with the child? And so when I asked, me not call the first name. When I asked, Joseph Frederick can't catch you. You can't be people there would say, suppose when me say Frederick can't catch you, somebody when you Frederick can't catch you, that the same style that comes to me. No, not be. I said I'm not making none of beat me up out here. You not beat me up. Me the careful, me the chat, and me the chat carefully. So, I kind of get concerned because I mean, you should have been in a relationship. And someone said, I asked, does the man know what is going on? She said yes. Someone said, when the man said, it's a complete history and who did I fight for who and things where I don't understand. But I say, but at this moment, united we stand, count know me tan. United we stand and divided we fall. So even if the father Even if the father, but hear the lie we are tell. You know, so when me remember the lie, remember I know the man them did that why, but yet still, me call you and you the cook for the baby daddy can't take the food. How me I say, but again, I'm a G. Me I say maybe you never want me know because why would the man never want to get involved because of the baby daddy? But then all of a sudden now, you're the cook. For the man come there, for come take up the food. I was like, yeah. So all this time I go on now and the queen, I said the queen, so me I know so now the queen. Lord, I can't say the queen can I call the lady them the queen. Me G I said to me say that say me say me G I said to me say that say me G have high blood pressure. But when me hear now, me I say then Granny dede, Granny nah say nothing. Nobody nah say nothing. And I just me and my little brethren dede and I say we a fight for see for make but me no check a stop. Moms I go say moms a support he send $400. And me I say where the money so now this thing a come out now. Now this thing a come out now me I say wait. All the money they what she said she have sent to the doctor. Oh, all of a sudden now we come up on social media so the doctor make 30,000 or 100,000 because from this woman coming up and me one in telling her and me and this lady say she support the daughter. That's me even said to her stop by the wigs and do the nails because she cannot go perform in a certain way. Don't send no money go buy no wig. Don't send no money go buy no ear. And that me say. Cause when them $400 with the marijuana come out, she said after she did have a point because me rocks her up. Me say, how you cannot do that? But the part when the daughter call her when she and somebody in a war and the one go make post. And the woman had tell her daughter with a post and say, how me have to say to her, no, hey, don't laugh, I serious something this. Me have to say, no, but you can't do that. You cannot do that. The doctor call the mother and I tell the mother say me not call the name of the other person because TikTok, Instagram I go get mixed up too. And she want make one post and she go post bababap and the mother say no post bababap post boop 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 boop. Me say no. And me say to her say you can't do that. Me say you cannot do that as a mother. Oh no, you go, you see you, remember me never asked you no question. You go and you rent place and put your daughter. The popular entertainer, Mr. D. You are go and just see him in the house. Me I put him out. Me same time I say, hey, come out. Me frightened last night when me go over 360 near 360 I say, no. When you did say you send the picture, when the picture argument did come out, she tell me say to her, say, why you take up your daughter picture and say send to the person? Me ask her. She tell me say because the person say the person don't know her daughter. Me say, well that's lie because anybody will see that they pick me there. From they know you, them are gonna know say your daughter. Cause she talk like you and she's dead stamp by you. I'ma say, and better yet, I would have one less person know about her. I would have one less person know about her. But when here, you can go over there to over YouTube, go listen to 360 Live. When me hear 360, I play female live and say, she tell him say her daughter and the guy are sex straight. Remember now, me don't know 360 age. And she say I'm 52. Me don't know. And him is a big man. Don't you think that's a little hard? I don't know. Ask him. I'm a brother that. If him know nothing about my daughter. Because I just feel, I don't know. Don't you feel, maybe me I look on it the wrong way. Don't you think that's a little odd for you, for you tell, for she, for you tell? I'm just thinking that is just not the right conversation to all with a man that could be your daughter's father. What was the base of the conversation when you're gonna tell him that the daughter, and you know she convinced me to tell me say upon the internet, for tell him say your daughter a fuck the man straight, just cause I saw the man say I saw 360 say last night, go over 360 yard and go look. I mean, that's a little odd and that's a little nasty, because guess what? He could be our father, and I just think that when you're having, differently from social media, when you're having a serious conversation, because at that time, let me tell you how me look upon it, maybe me I look upon it wrong. You would be all in, if you are talking about, let's say 360 is going to give you strength about your daughter, then it should be a serious conversation. Not should be a conversation where say the man a fuck her straight. That sound like a little dirty girl conversation. If you don't understand what me I talk about, or if you don't see, you should be all in a conversation where 360 could have said, you know, as a father figure, and because him have not that because him don't have a daughter, we are gonna say him can because him is a father. But don't you think that's a little nasty? I wouldn't even call it vulgar, I would call it nasty, because that should be a father figure where, I mean, we know that 360 is in the state where the same daughter, maybe they might not, they're near, but them in the same state or the same country. Maybe 360 would have didn't know to know somebody, cause maybe cause that's how it go. Cause even with me, she was thanking me and was praising me about the lady, because the lady happened to know, and you know, we can talk, and so she was praising me to know the lady. So I think that should be, but with you telling her and then now, at which convinced me to say, she said to me that 360 came to her and said him see it on the internet. But when you go by 360 yard, you hear 360 I say she tell him how much money her daughter make. And you know why me have to kind of believe now? As so she tell me so she's a millionaire. Not only me one, me and that same lady who was trying to help with the little girl, forget the little girl off of the crack. Because I said to her, I'm talking on my platform, and will forever say it again. Prostitution, whether freely for pay for with drugs, is a recipe for disaster. Now I said to her, this child is only 24. Oh, you get to me, I say, I'm glad you get to me, I say, and I hope everybody for 360 when I play the live. Not for nothing, but I just feel like that should be a more professional conversation. Because when me a talk to Lady V about her daughter, different from the money what she say her daughter take. When me say rotted 10 ton chopper, 10 sit down and wait for the money and then 10 just chop it. Professional conversation. Me even go as far when she do 10 they do something on the internet. I'm say to her say you contact the place and ask. Contact the place and ask them say if you can pay the 36,000 because at 36,000 for the course, you know. Pay it in installment, pay it little, you have them broke it down. Me even say maybe you have to go pay a little more, but now watch that. Now watch that. Me go as far, me say to her, so that then not too lick that the father. Me say you can't get part from the daddy. Part from the time the man a take and a send 5,000. The little girl to the man send her 8,000. The money they could have make she go a reabandoned. But me no know. But I don't think she want to get her daughter. She just don't want nobody to cuss her daughter. And if people cuss her daughter, the whole social media go out upon them. We all know the little girl needs serious help. And this is why sometimes I come and judge that man and tell her to get the little girl to block the man. When me hear about all the care, there were things that I take very serious and I talk to her very serious. There is no way one of my kids them can go around a vehicle, go up on the road without a driver's license. None. Certain things me not joke with. Certain things I don't joke with. That is me. So therefore, when you look on it, I don't know, because I said, I don't understand. I'm not going to say things we talk about her on the media, about the mother on the media, but with the daughter, I'm only concerned about her, and I'm say she only bad luck it for her as a mother, because she should be in, she can get help. This mother, you that drive X5, X6, which you know, I ain't gonna go in that story, but you live your life happy, but at the same time, you live on a small island where you say, people attack, it reach a little boy's school and everything, but what you are do, carrying her out on phone one time, all that me talk to her about. When them say something about the little girl, and you call the little girl per phone and have her per, that's bullshit. That is bullshit. Go pay the 36,000 because you say you're a millionaire. And you say you have a man and the little girl father a millionaire. Take all the whole out and split it up 12,000 each. Pull out your bank book. It now go empty because of millions in it, because the money where you tell me say you have more than 20 times of that the 36,000 there. Way more than that, because you say you have millions. And me alone you tell. It's not me alone you tell. Remember say at the tree with it up on the phone. You have to go seek the help for your daughter. Go and go seek the help for your daughter. Go on and do it. Go, you can do it. Get up and go do it. Go and go do it. Tell you take a mischief. What you stall out big sow out here for? And you know you're guilty. When big sow this come out here come do, you know you're guilty. So you make me there for go talk big sow business when I never did one. You notice that the money I ain't say nothing about big sow? Because I see I do in that bang around there. Go seek help for your daughter and tap make mischief on the internet. Tap go run and watch people live on you done you go like you know what you call. No, me can't believe say. If you never tell me say you tell Ashanti, someone that say a lie Ashanti, I tell pa you. When you say, remember me did ask you know, is there anything else where you and Ash where you tell Ashanti when Ashanti they come out about my son? And you did you explain, Mr. Lady V, is there anything else where Ashanti where you tell where you Ashanti talk and you say well me should I didn't know? You say nothing else not there. You go print out all of the message there. You even send me some screenshot to the do some duration a call where you Ashanti have it Sunday. Me supposed to have them in the phone, yeah. You say nothing else not in there. Nothing else not there for talk. You go print you. Me say to you say print you out. Lo and behold, you know, let me tell you, you sit down and what time you do. And me I wonder if you really they do the work where you do for you when you see all night, you come in and then they sit in the car, you know everything we are going on the internet, you go like you don't watch. You go like you don't watch. Remember you tell me say you don't watch the live. You remember you tell me say you don't watch your live and that you tell me you tell me say you don't watch your live. Because I think was when your sister was there and you say you no go to church. Yeah, big old man, taught them something, taught them mischievous that when people tell you things, you have to learn to keep it. Especially detrimental thing. You know how much detrimental thing people tell me how much serious things I me keep it? Down to the woman who carry you go show you the woman yard. You call the woman name, you talk. Down to the woman who carry you go show you the woman yard. You talk. You talk. I say the woman carry you go show you the woman yard. That's why I'm glad. That's why when me hear that the blogger they want come try mix me up and tell lie pa me because I in an argument with nobody. I never that plan nothing dirty pan the phone either nor nothing. Well, I get help about your daughter. And when you bring somebody and I want to talk about them, I tell you the truth we have to say. I told you the truth we have to say. Just like with when you on a certain blogger and I said to you to that, so well make them know exactly how they make you feel. When you say it's a money making thing, so don't tell me say we might not be Christian, you know, but we can try if we take if ever that part with it. It's not so you will do that to lower your pride and your dignity. And at the end of the day, your pride and your dignity. And at the end of the day, that job, it has no pension with it. And you will never have, and it's not a valuable job. Those same man where you sell your body to enter and see them look down upon you. So, where it makes sense. Worse when tired do it, tired take drugs and you're not safe, not no tight. Do you know that in a, if I me tell you something, me not see up underneath the bikini. I me not see the picture some of them. Do you think 5 years time from now porn or I go want she for work for them? Do you think 5 years time from now porn I go want her for work for them? Who remember this girl named I even say to the daughter about Khalifa. She have a OnlyFans now, them say she making much money a fight. But what happened to Khalifa, the girl from the Arabic country, where did in it? What happened to Khalifa? After time, nobody wanted to use her. After time, they no want to use Khalifa for no more shoot, don't? But the only thing she over, without a doubt, she's making millions me hear over OnlyFans. But nobody no want to use her again. But did you see her interview to me? Them say she go write a book. The same site them use her, crop up her video and I make millions off of them same way. and she cannot get a man. Just the other day, you know where a lady, a porn star in Europe have to do? You know what she have to do? A judge. She have to beg, go to a courthouse because say she and her husband is having problem about the video. Because she married over 2 boys. It was big thing on the news. She married over, forget her name. I forget her name. She married her 2 boys. But people keep sending her the husband the video and everywhere you go. Like, I should go to them to take them down and then I want to take them down. It's a court order decide to take them off. Again, I remember one morning, me say people, me not tell them lie. The morning there, that's why I said that woman there wicked to me about my son. I mean, no enough how now go say me no good smarty, I mean no this, I mean no that. I'm a son. I will more that old. I'm still a old enough things. I'm still not go down in the details. Why you never call Big Sow the man in there? Oh, call Big Sow first carry it up on the internet, me forget. Now and then now, me say to her, say, you have to put on your foot. You have to put on your foot on the little girl because I say, this could have frightened her. If I come here tell us people, it shake me up, you know. Me say, Jesus. But when time I see she'll entertain the daughter, if go down a Vegas, yeah, be always a mix up. Me not live a foreign, you know. Which one they say when you go there, what you do there, you left it there. You have Vegas or you have Los Angeles. Which one this trip? Which one this trip the pan? But this is one not sit right with me because she tell me say and she has so much money she sent for the little girl that she maintain the little girl. So that's why the ace was to get her out if the little girl was being pimped. But no, that's why me say with that all this woman stay